Welcome back to Moxcee Talk. The first in our speaker series is Mr. Donald Keys. Please welcome Donald to our pre-show event discussion.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for that warm welcome.
Now, Donald, for this speaking series you said that you will be speaking beyond marketing. I'm wondering if you can elaborate on that further.
Certainly. Although by profession I am a direct marketer working with businesses, what I cover in my talk is universal to all, especially with not-for-profit organizations. My talk is about creating better sustainable business relationships. This is not just the domain of professional salespeople and marketers. Everyone has a stake in this.
Interesting, Donald. It is really great when we have speakers that speak about matters to a wider audience.
Regardless of whether you are a company creating a customer or a non-profit organization attracting donors or volunteers. These are all important business relationships.
Yes, of course.
My focus lately has been with non-profit organizations connecting with volunteers with important causes.
Or like what we do here with our Moxcee Talk speaker series, perhaps? Connecting people with our speakers who in turn inspire them with new ideas.
Yes, for sure. But how does inspiration translate into action? The nonprofit needs to connect with volunteers, engage them, and ultimately empower them to stay on board for the long term doing non-paid work. It has to be more than inspirational to the volunteer. It has to be meaningful for their lives, and for the people trying to create customers or recruit volunteers, the objective is the same: turn them into long-term sustainable business relationships.
So, how do you get there?
To get there, you need a process. You need a shift in organizational thinking to make it happen. I have put together a simple roadmap which I call the Power of 3: Connect, Engage and Empower, making it easy for organizations to make the shift.
Now when you talk about the Power of 3, what sort of popular example do you use that most audiences would understand?
The world's most valuable company understands the Power of 3 in action. You walk through their door, you connect and you engage with a trained professional. They customize the demonstration of their product based on your individual needs. They close the experience by scheduling you in right away with specific seminars to empower you further. There is one company to see a great example of Connect, Engage and Empower in action. That is the Apple Computer Store.
Well, fantastic, Donald. We are looking forward to your other presentations on Connect, Engage and Empower.